Our topic today, a tractor-trailer accident. We'll get to the bottom of this legal situation in just a moment. In the meantime, let me introduce our resident attorneys here on The Law and You, Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, how are you?
We're doing just fine, Dave. How about you?
Good. You like that introduction?
I loved it.
All right, just trying to mix it up. All right, let's get to our question. And this involves a serious accident here from Tom in Towanda. I was driving down Route 80 and a large tractor-trailer cut me off and I crashed my car. I was injured and so was my passenger. I gave the license plate and name of the tractor-trailer company. I didn't hear back from state police yet. What should I do, and do I have a case? So it sounds like Tom at least did the right thing and reported this to state police to start.
You did, Tom. To answer your question very directly is, do you have a case? The answer would be yes. Now, moving forward from that, the type of case that you have, very complicated. There's some insurance regulations with regard to tractor trailers where there's a mandatory minimum amount of insurance that they have to have. So if you have the name of the trucking company, then you can track down who insures that trucking company as well. Very technical stuff. You really, really need to pick up the phone and get a hold of a lawyer that handles these. We've handled a bunch of these cases, and I mean, they really can become very technical issues aside from your injuries in terms of the insurance requirements. And we've seen this week, I mean, I think there's been 3 tractor trailer crashes on 81, so they're very prevalent this time of year.
Well, and the good news is you have the state police involved. They're hopefully running down the leads, which they're very good at. And if they get, and assume you had the information right, if they get the company and they get the right license plate, then you have a shot against this company. If you don't, you got to hope you have uninsured motorist coverage on your policy, because that would then become what's called a phantom vehicle, and you have to report this. You have to immediately report it to your insurance company, regardless of any investigation. Let them know you're in an accident, let them know everything that you've said, and then let everything kind of play out. But Ed's right, you definitely need to talk to a lawyer on this one.
And you guys are right. A couple of days ago on that accident, Tuesday night, the tractor-trailer driver was cited by police for tailing too close. So you never know, and if you need some legal direction or advice, I know these guys are available to you. How can our viewers reach you?
They call us at 570-714-HURT. See us on the web at 714hurt.com.
And everyone, just be vigilant out there when you're on the roadway. I mean, we have more tractor trailers than any other corridor in the country. So they're not, the truck traffic is not going to get less. It's going to get
80,
more.
81,
so,
Turnpike.
it's crazy.
84, they're everywhere.
All you can do is drive defensively, keep your eyes open on the
That's
road. All right,
Absolutely.
Results Matter attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, thanks so much.
Thank
We'll
you.
see you tomorrow.
Don't forget, you can get a question right here on The Law and You by visiting PAHomepage.com or calling the Law and You hotline.